Hello guys, myself Mahesh. Today I am explaining a small topic in software engineering. The topic is structured analysis techniques. This topic is most important in software engineering for designing the products. What is the structured analysis in software engineering? The first thing is data flow diagrams. DFD data flow diagram illustrate how data moves through a system. They consist of process, data stores, and external entities. Processes transform data, data stores hold data, and entities are external resources destination. Notation include Jordan and code and the gain Sarah process. Transfer incoming data into the outgoing data stores. Repositories for data when the system. Data flow diagram 2. Data flow diagram have levels such as context diagram level 1, level 0, level 1, level 2, etc. The context diagram shows the system scope. Lower levels provide more detail and balancing ensure the consistency across levels, which means input and output must match. As shown in the diagram, here we have the data flow diagram with the graphical representation of some pictures. First, mm, or with cloud service. In the cloud service, our cloud requests are database, cloud, regularity, and the payments. And next, under this is answering modules, payment system, and the payment payment uh, payment requests. Okay, these are all under done in the database in the cloud config. Level 0 is system scope, level 1 is main process, level 2 is detailed states. Data dictionaries. In the data dictionary define the data elements. They specify names, aliases, properties, and data types, descriptions and data types. Also, they include length, value range, and formats. They ensure consistency and the data integrity across the system. First thing is name, unique identifier. They have the different and the unique names, types, different data types like integer, float, strings. Formats, how data is stored. We represent the how data is stored in the data structure. Next thing is structured charts. Structured charts show system architecture. They break down DFD, data flow diagram process, into modules. The entire data flow diagram divided into the sub individual modules. In this module, nothing but a small part. Components include modules, control flow, and data flow. They illustrate the hierarchy and the relation between the modules. Modules. First thing in modules, the individual functions as we discussed. Control flow, order of execution of the program. Data flow, data passed between the modules. Here you show the graphical representation, a flow chart. Next we go to the last. Decision table and the decision trees. This is also one important technique in the software analysis. The decision tables and the trees manage the complex logic. They use for the complex logic scene and table list, condition, action, and the rules. Trees use nodes, branches, and the levels to map decisions. They are useful to determine outcomes based on the multiple factors. These decision tables and the decision trees are graphical representation of flowchart representation in the form of tables or the trees. Trees nothing but nodes and the edges. Tables are the rows and the columns. These are tables and the trees. This stores data. Advantages and disadvantages. Structured analysis offers improved the understanding. It provides better documentation and enhanced maintainability. However, it can be rigid. It has limited support for the object-oriented concept. There is potential for over-analysis. Advantages: improved understanding, better documentation, reduced complexity. Disadvantages: rigidity, limited over support, potential over-analysis. A final conclusion is structured analysis remains relevant. It is useful in the specific context. It helps to manage complexity, explore and apply software analysis where appropriate. Consider its strengths and weaknesses. Choose the best technique for each problem.